According to past rumors, Samsung's Galaxy A37 and the Galaxy A57 were supposedly getting official in the first half of February. That window has clearly come and gone without any announcement, and if you're wondering what caused the holdup, a tipster over on X now claims to have some clarity on the situation. Samsung has allegedly pushed their unveiling to March. There's still no exact date attached to the new timeframe, but the reasoning may be strategic. The Galaxy S26 family is set to launch on February 25th, and Samsung likely doesn't want its mid-range A-series models diverting attention away from its flagship spotlight. Staggering the releases could help the company give each lineup its own moment in the headlines. As for what to expect, the Galaxy A37 is rumored to feature a 6.7-inch FHD+ AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate powered by the Exynos 1480 chipset. Camera-wise, it's tipped to include a 50-megapixel main sensor, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 5-megapixel macro lens, alongside a 12-megapixel selfie shooter. A 5,000 mAh battery with 45 watts wired charging support is also said to be on board, and the device should carry an IP67 rating for dust and water resistance. The Galaxy A57, meanwhile, is expected to come with a slightly smaller 6.6-inch flat AMOLED display, also with a 120Hz refresh rate. It may be powered by the newer Exynos 1680 chipset and offer faster UFS 3.1 storage. Its triple rear camera system reportedly consists of a 50-megapixel main sensor with optical image stabilization, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 5-megapixel macro unit, complemented by a 12-megapixel front-facing camera. Like the Galaxy A37, it's tipped to pack a 5,000 mAh battery with 45 watts wired charging. The Galaxy A57 is said to step things up with an IP68 rating, a slim 6.9mm profile, and a weight of just 182 grams, positioning it as the more premium option between the two. With that said, do consider subscribing to the channel for daily tech updates, and I'll see you guys on the next one.